All right, so we're West Clear Creek. We have to go hit up Bear Canyon. Oh my God. A little bumpy.
I did not see that one.
Yeah, so again, we're about to hit up Bear Canyon, West Clear Creek, short technical canyon, a little bit of water, a little bit of rappelling. That's where I was told that we were going.
Yeah, as far as you know.
I'm not gonna lie, this stuff scares the heck out of me. But that's why I'm doing this, because I'm trying to get over it. I'm trying to get used to this kind of stuff. He assures me I'll be fine though.
It's fine. We're lost, but it's fine. It'll probably be fine.
You know, lost is a little more comfortable than dangling from a rope.
Oh, there you go.
We have arrived.
It's really slow with 2 ropes, so there's a lot of pressure.
Woo! 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 Man, I used to this. A little bit of a drop. Come on, just going straight down there.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. Sweet. Very nice. 2 of 3 done. I'm getting warmed up. Get it.
There you go.
Yeah.
That was more awkward. But it worked out. Oh, beautiful.
Nice.
Not warm though.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, it is. That thing's been here the entire time we've been coming here.
Dude, this is freaking cool, man.
Yeah.
So cool. And cold. Yeah, this is awesome.
We didn't bring headlamps.
Oh, we didn't, did we? All right, we gotta move.
It's all right.
I didn't even think about it.
We got phones,
Yeah.
and we will definitely be on the trail. And somebody's been here probably today. think this is our last wave in the mount.
Oh yeah. Nice.
That's it, dude.
Woohoo! Oh man. Ooh. Yeah, that's slippery. What do you think about that exit?
Sucks.
That was really hard.
I don't know if you said it enough. It was really hard.
Really hard. Back to the truck.
Oh.
That was good. I'm glad to be able to tackle Bear Canyon. I was freaked out multiple times going through it. Jerry had to kind of like talk me through some of that. I'm glad I did it. I'm done. We're done here. Yeah, that was Bear Canyon. That was awesome. Thanks for keeping me alive.
Yeah, man.
So of course.
Did you get me racking myself?
Yep, that's good.
Feels
Good
great.
donk.
There you go. You're about 1.5 feet off the deck.
Come on out. That guy in a little hole. That guy in a little gold. It's cool. It's fun. That's a big tree. I like that tree.
I like that boulder. That is a nice boulder.